Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It's the third part of gel nail tutorials. In this part, you will see how to turn this nail into this nail. As usual, you should do the manicure and you should prep the nail plate, shine off, and then you should apply dehydration and gel primer or acid-free primer on nail plate. Then we apply a thin layer of base or clear rubber base and cure it in lamp for 60 seconds. As we want to do the nail extension with nail forms, we should attach the nail forms in a correct place and sculpting with clear builder gel and cure it in lamp for 60 seconds. As we apply a thin layer of builder, we can pinch it with nail pincher and we can make a little more curve in nails. It's time to use hand file. I use 180 roughness degree hand file to shape the nail and filing the builder gel. For the next step, we use milky builder gel for main bulking and a little strengthening the nail. As usual, we should cure the builder gel in lamp and be sure that your builder gel is totally dry. It's time for the most interesting step in nail extension. Gel polish step. If you do the nail extension for yourself on your hand, you're free to choose any color. But if you do this for your customer, always remember that the customer's taste is always preferred.